Lowe was in court for the hearing, and now he's live at City Hall. Mike.
Ray and Micah, good evening to both of you. The judge in this case asked pointed questions of the lawyers for the city and the lawyers for the police union, but he said he would not issue his ruling until Monday morning. So for now, the situation remains status quo, but the outcome is very much in limbo, according to the FOP president.
Still in limbo is about the best way you could put it.
Fraternal Order of Police President John Catanzaro was the only person in the courtroom who spoke with reporters after the hearing. The city's lawyers declined to comment.
We're simply asking this judge to force the city to stop their policy, put officers back to work, and force the city to go back to the bargaining table at arbitration.
As of today, 31 CPD officers are on no-pay status for failing to comply with the City of Chicago's vaccine mandate. The Fraternal Order of Police, which represents the majority of the city's 13,500 police officers, filed an emergency motion asking a judge for a temporary restraining order to block the city's vaccine mandate. Judge Raymond Mitchell considered arguments from lawyers for the union who stated that the city's policy violated the officers' labor contract by changing conditions of their employment without going through the collective bargaining process. Judge Mitchell said to the union's lawyer, quote, "There's a certain saying in labor cases, obey now, grieve later." What does that mean? It means you take a certain risk if you don't comply. Lawyers for the city said the union dragged its feet in the bargaining process, saying union officials were, in essence, bad faith actors with, quote, unclean hands in the situation. The city's attorney argued that the mandate has an overwhelming public health benefit, but the judge seemed concerned that while back pay could be a remedy in arbitration, a vaccine shot could not be undone and therefore would not have a remedy in arbitration. Quote, "Isn't there a real risk that they'll lose their day in court if they submit to the vaccine before their claims are adjudicated?" he asked. Earlier in the day, Mayor Lori Lightfoot appeared on national cable TV to argue for the mandate.
I'm determined to make sure that we maximize our opportunity to have a safe workplace. And the only way to do that is to get people vaccinated.
At the end of the hearing, the judge complimented both sides on the thoroughness of their arguments, and he said he promised to have his ruling by 10 in the morning on Monday. Reporting live outside of City Hall this evening, Mike Lowe.